Welcome to the Trendy Outdoorsman. In this video, we're going to build a sit-stand desk, one that's sturdy and modern. Stay tuned. Let's start with the countertop. I went with the IKEA Carlby. It's a 74.5-inch countertop by 1.5 inches thick. It's a kitchen countertop, so it's really thick and sturdy. This is good because I read a lot of people have problems with the desk not being very sturdy when you're standing up, so I wanted to make sure that wasn't going to be a problem. And as you can see here, I'm applying a coat of wax to the top of it just to help with nicks and scratches over time. Next, I chose the Amazo frame. It's really nice because it has dual motors, one on each side in the legs, so it's really clean and minimalistic looking. It also comes with 4 preset settings, so you could have 2 sit settings and 2 stand settings. It's really convenient. And lastly, I did a lot of research online and I found that this one had really good reviews and feedback, and it's extremely solid and sturdy. Next, I got this cable concealer kit from Amazon. It's PVC that you can cut to size for your cables. It comes with a double-sided tape. It is a little bit of work to do this, but when it's all said and done and you've got all your cables hidden under the table, it is a much more clean look. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Basically, all the wires are ran through the center there and hidden real nicely from the desk, and that's all the motor cables. Then of course everybody wants nothing on top of your desk but still has to write sometimes. So I found this amazing, really slimline drawer on Amazon, and it literally fit perfectly when I measured it up. So I kind of looked at the left and the right side, centered it up, and drilled it underneath the desk. And it was an amazing investment. So I wanted to have one plug go into an outlet, so I got a surge protector and mounted it underneath of the table and made sure everything else could be plugged right into that. Also, when it comes to mounting monitors, this was a challenge because I have a 49-inch super ultra wide monitor and they just don't make mounts for this yet. So I came across this Logitech super heavy duty gas spring monitor mount. It's designed for screens up to 34 inches, but mine's a 49, so I thought I would give it a shot and test it because of the weight. It was up to 33 pounds and mine was only 27. Also, the other nice feature is there's a USB built into the front of it as well, so it's very convenient for charging your devices. I also got the Vivo adapter VESA mount kit for the iMac because they don't have the holes to mount those on the back of them. And then I got another Loctite monitor mount because I really love the look of it, and now I have 2 USBs on the front. And finally, I fed the cables from the back of the computer through the mount. It has a really nice area for them that you can hide them, and ran them underneath of the table. And I have achieved my goal with only one outlet with one plug, and it's a real clean look to the table. Underneath of the table, I have an additional USB charger that I put just so I can quickly charge like my iPhone, iPad, or sometimes quickly charge extra batteries. And also a 16-foot LED light strip that I got on Amazon. It can change colors with the remote, and I have it ran through a smart plug with an Alexa on top, so it's voice controlled. Everything is finished, so you'll see my remote is on the left for my controls, and here's the real slim drawer that I installed. It's real smooth, easy to open, and does not get in the way when you're sitting or standing. And underneath, all the cables are managed fairly well. So when you're done, you would just hit M and then hold down one of the 4 buttons to set your settings, and then just press it and it will go to that memory setting for you every single time perfectly. And here is my finished work of everything done. The desk is going up slowly. You don't see any of the cables hanging. It's a really clean, minimalistic look, exactly what I was going for. No distractions, and really sturdy with the desk very high as well. I would recommend this combination. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do have any questions about everything used in this video, I'll have the links below for all the products. If you do have any questions about anything that I did or any other details, please leave the comments below. I'll be happy to help and answer them. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We do have more videos coming soon. Thanks.